In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect payment information without charging using Jotform. Whether you're setting up online forms for pre-orders, bookings, or potential sales, it's crucial to understand how to gather payment details without initiating a charge right away. This process will empower you to have control over when to process a payment, giving you the flexibility to authorize at the most appropriate time. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide. First, head to jotform.com and log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your workspace where you can manage all your forms. From here, navigate to the form you wish to modify. This could be a new form you've created for this specific purpose, or an existing form needing an update. Once you locate the form, click on it and select the Edit Form option to enter the form builder where all the magic happens. In the form builder, you'll want to focus on the payment element. This is essential because we need to configure the payment settings without charging the user immediately. Begin by clicking on the payment element within your form, and upon doing so you should see a payment settings icon. Click that to open the payment configuration panel. This is where the detailed settings lie. On the top right hand corner of the payment settings panel, you'll notice a cogwheel icon. Clicking this will bring up the integration settings. This step is crucial because it enables you to access additional settings related to how payments are handled. Scroll through until you find the section titled Additional Gateway Settings. In this area, you'll find a variety of options to tweak how payments are managed. Look for the authorization only option within these settings. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Switch this to yes. By doing this, you're enabling Jotform to collect payment information without processing the payment right away. Essentially, this authorizes the transaction without capturing the funds, which can be essential for services where final charges need to be confirmed after completing a task or fulfilling a service. Once you've toggled the authorization only setting, scroll down to the bottom of the panel and click the continue button. It's important to perform this final step to ensure all your changes are saved. Failing to click continue might result in losing all the updates you've made to your form's payment settings. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've set up your Jotform to collect payment details responsibly and flexibly. This process allows you to manage payments more effectively, ensuring that you have the opportunity to authorize charges at the right moment. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy form building.